Last year, I made a video on our laundry routine and how much I loved it. We had one laundry basket for our whole family, and I did laundry whenever that basket was full, and then sorted it into each family member's laundry basket, which we kept in the laundry room all the time. It was great, we loved it, and it worked really well for our family. Now, over time, things change and evolve, and that's what's happened with our laundry system. Our kids are now older and more independent, and I've wanted them to take more of an active role in doing the laundry. If you're new here, my name is Jillian, and I like to share tips and tricks on how to simplify your home, as well as various DIY projects my husband Chris and I happen to be doing around our home. What prompted me to switch up our laundry routine was that I saw a YouTube video of a mom who had 13 kids, and she was sharing how they were able to make their laundry routine much more efficient. They had been spending so much time sorting and folding laundry, and they wanted to come up with a new way to streamline things much more for them. So they decided to change things up by having a laundry basket for each of their 13 kids, and they had a specific day of the week that 2 kids did laundry each day, and it ended up working really well for them. So I've taken elements from that video and I decided to give it a try with our family, and you know what? I have actually loved it. Let me walk you through our new laundry routine, which now involves the kids so much more. First, I got rid of the one laundry basket in the hallway and put one laundry basket in each of our rooms. Chris and I do share a laundry basket, and that just still works for us. On the weekend, we do a load of my daughter's laundry, then a load of my son's. Usually we'll do Chris and my load of laundry as well. That way, we have clean clothes for the start of the school week for everybody. I've gotten the kids to help by bringing their laundry baskets from their bedrooms down to the laundry room. I get them to load their dirty clothes into the washer and then move the clothes over to the dryer when they're ready. And we just put their laundry basket right on top of the machine, so it's ready for them. It's great because as soon as their laundry is done, they can just easily load up their laundry basket right back up and walk it back to their bedroom. And they usually will dump those clean clothes either on their bed or on the floor, and that's when they'll get some help by usually me or my husband, and we'll do a quick sort of like items and then put their clothes away super quickly. We usually put a pump up song on to challenge ourselves to see how fast we can put the laundry away, and it's also, my way of showing them that it does not take very long. So usually by the time a typical song is finished, we're usually done putting those clothes away. And this reminder comes in handy when I start to hear a little bit of complaining when people don't feel like putting their clothes away. It's just a good reminder to show them that everybody likes a challenge. And I am always happy when I'm listening to some good pump up tunes as well. Let's talk about the benefits of this laundry routine. There is no more sorting between family members. Everybody's laundry is completely separate, so it goes into the washer, dryer, and right back to that person's bedroom. Completely separate. Kids are more involved. It's great because they can easily bring their laundry downstairs, load it into the washer, move it to the dryer, and take it right back up to their bedrooms. And our kids are currently 6 and 8, and they've been doing a really great job. It is super quick to put laundry away. As I said earlier, we literally dump the laundry out, do a quick sort between pajamas, pants, shirts, underwear, socks. Then we get moving to put things away. So one of us might be putting socks together, another one might be folding pants, but it goes super fast when you're motivated to get it done. And I really want to just show my kids that this doesn't have to be something to dread, something that's, frustrating or annoying to do, but it's something that we have to do every week, and you feel better when it is completed and when you know you have clean clothes in your closet, so you're good to go for the week ahead. So laundry does not need to be a dreaded activity. It's really important to find a routine that works for your family. I would definitely recommend getting your kids involved as soon as you can. It teaches them a new skill, and soon enough they'll be able to be independent enough to be taking on that task themselves. I'd love to hear what's working for you and your family. What kind of laundry routine do you have in your house? Please let me know in the comments below. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos on how to simplify your home or various DIY projects that we are completing in our house. Have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video.